stirring. I'm in charge of the microwave butter.
This is Kayla making popcorn.
Is it a video?
This is the popcorn being made. Soon to be in my tummy. This is Lauren heating up the butter.
Butter! It's really bad for you, but really, really good. Okay, I need a bowl.
Kayla needs a bowl.
Look at it, it's exploding! Okay, okay. Bowls are coming.
Kayla's yelling at Lauren. Lauren brings the bowl.
Lauren brings the bowl.
Kayla asks, doesn't it smell like the movie theater?
Okay.
Lauren checks on the butter. Lauren can't find the butter.
It's still in the microwave. Did you get it?
Kayla shakes out the popcorn. Jennifer tries the popcorn.
Well, then we need butter or salt. Butter. It's not gonna be good.
Jennifer doesn't like the popcorn.